So busy, you just want to wake up and go, but still want to rock your natural hair. What would you do with your hair? Let's try these two different looks. You totally have seen these hairstyles before, but have you ever thought about how much time they would save? Now we have a nutritional moisturizing and styling cream. It has a thick consistency. This is a nutritious DIY organic styling cream that will give hair the moisture it needs. Condition, treat, volume, and shine. You can also use some of it as a rinse out conditioner. Starting on a clean canvas, washed and conditioned hair. So go ahead and apply styling cream. Slowly smooth it into a section of hair till hair is properly saturated. And then start shingling to form curls. When you work in sections, it allows the product penetrate faster and deeper. A few minutes after blow drying, hair is malleable, soft, defined, volume, shine. What more would you ask for? This hairstyle could take you between 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how you maintain it, the weather, and your hair texture. Finger coil. We did this hairstyle at night without enough lighting, but I hope you can get a glimpse of what it looked like. Also didn't blow dry, slept with damp hairstyle. That is common when you had a long day, tired, and hardly have enough time for yourself. But sleeping with damp hair is not a good idea. It would damage your hairstyle, and that is not what you want for a hairstyle that will take you over a month. Still came out pretty nice anyway. Now this is the 3 finger coil, and we want to demonstrate how simple it is to make this. You may remoisturize hair if it dried out. Still using a styling cream. Take a section of hair, apply product, smoothing it through, and start at the roots. Wrapping hair around your index finger, turning it all the way down until it is perfect. You can wear this hairstyle for a month. All you need is a spray water bottle and oil to maintain. You could also separate it after some days to get it fluffier, just showing you, otherwise we are not going for that. You are welcome to our farm. You simply click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a video.